Fresh on the scene of the crime. It's the Save Squad, the Rescue Squad.
Okay,
Salute, King! We out here. Oh, damn, is my phone dying?
It's dying right now.
We on.
Sluggy on.
Eee. Try to get by them motherfuckers, huh?
Damn.
Oh, shit. Woohoo. Damn. I told you that big ass.
Break the fucking window.
I told you that big nigga strong.
All y'all niggas
I'll drive.
All you need is Duke. That big ass nigga. Let me see. Oh. I just came to watch and film his big ass do it. So, hey, you hear me? Woohoo! I said all he need is Big Duke. I just came to film his big ass push this one.
Baby, you gonna come over this side.
It's on that, man. White ha 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 ha. She finna turn around. Watch out, y'all get from behind it. He said reverse. Reverse and go straight back out that way. Good idea. Go out the way you came in.
Go out the way you came in.
Yeah, good idea. Come on, she said come drop. Where'd he go? What are you doing? I'm riding with you.
I'm looking for that tag. I couldn't find it.
I'm gonna ride with Bobo. Woo! It's like brother. Oh man, sorry what's up, man? How you doing? Here, King.
Cheers.
Hey, hey.
For your trouble.
Okay, it's official. We got the homie. We out of here. I was recording the whole way. Like the rescue mission on the way. Okay. I'm in the homie truck now. And we live, baby. We got him.
I ain't stopping.
Yeah, don't stop. Fuck it.
that hill. Get on up that hill. Get on up that motherfucking hill. She spinning ass loose. Get on up there, Bessie. Get on up there, Bessie. Damn, I done left them niggas.
Yeah, keep going. You can't worry about them. Gotta get home. They good in the BMW. You just gotta float. They got a police on the left.
He ain't help no motherfucking body. Right there, cracker.
He probably calling back up for that semi stuck right there. That's probably was his first shit on the scene. Yeah, there you go.
He going
there go to help for the semi.
He going up there where we was just at.
He first priority get his big ass out the street. And he got the merchandise. They paying them taxes to the police. Just to come through the state with the shit. Yep, keep going, float. I be floating. Being a homie right here.
What up?
Where you from again?
Michigan.
Michigan, goddamn. I got one of my first loves is in Michigan. She in what part of Michigan she is? She's in Grand Rapids.
Oh yeah.
Michigan. Yeah, my first love. Her name Jerry. One of my first. Yeah. Shout out to Michigan though. It's real niggas out there. My homeboy, her brother. Goddamn Jizzle ain't never lying. Hey.
Hey, is y'all good?
They good. They're great. That motherfucker is beautiful.
I'm going up Tower Road too. I'm just making sure y'all wasn't stuck.
Yeah, that BMW is beautiful.
Huh? Okay, bet.
That Beamer is fucking great, actually. That's a show of force right now. With that Beamer going through there like butter.